Here's how to update the Google Play Store on Android from your old version. Now, if you're on your Android phone and you open up the Google Play Store and tap on your profile at the very top right, you might be on an old version of Google Play Store. This could cause issues downloading and installing or even updating apps. You can always update the Google Play Store by scrolling down to the very bottom in this section and then tapping on Settings here. From the settings in the Google Play Store, we're going to open up About here at the bottom. And you'll be able to see it says Play Store version. It's currently 49.6.23-31. I can hit Update Play Store. And it'll say it will go through the process of updating it if it isn't already updated. In my case, it says it's already updated, but there's a way to force update it and to clear out a lot of other issues that you might be having. Let's hop out of the Google Play Store and instead swipe up and open up your settings. From your settings, all you need to do is scroll down. The first option that we're going to check to see is Software Update. So just tap on that and then tap on Download and Install. Just update your Android phone to the latest version. Oftentimes that builds in the latest version of the Google Play Store. So just go through that process. However, again, if it's fully updated or you're still running into issues, you can always go through this third step. From the very beginning of your settings, we're going to find the Apps section and tap on that. Now let's scroll down until we find the Google Play Store here. There it is. Tap on it. And let's scroll down to Storage. Tap on that. You'll be able to see app data, cache, etc. I'm going to clear the cache and then clear the data associated with it as well. After you've gone through this process, try opening up the Google Play Store and seeing if it works better at this point or it's resolved your issues. If it still hasn't resolved the issues, let's go back to your settings and then go back out of here. At the very top right, just tap on those three dots and tap on Uninstall Updates. Keep in mind, when you go through this process, you'll need to log back into the Google Play Store with your Google account, but then everything will be reset and the latest version will be installed.